Hello guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you a couple ways, one of the very significant ways that I use in gathering data and metrics, and a way that I use to find out coins and cryptocurrencies and the projects, communities that have been building and developing. Because lifespan of a coin is largely determined by the utilities involved. In its use cases, the utilities provided, etc. So guys, I'm in my Twitter, and once you're here, what I want you to search for is proof, PROOF, OF, GitHub, GITHUB. Of course, my recent searches is already here, so I'm just going to click that and we're in. And as you can see here, I'm already a follower and a lover and a supporter. I'm a fan of these people already. They post. So guys, I'm going to read it. This is like a mission statement of GitHub, of proof of GitHub. It says, I am designed to provide you with up-to-date GitHub metrics on the cryptocurrency project in the space. What is GitHub exactly? Of course, is a kind of platform where developers, do I used to use the word meet? But basically that's where most developers live their social media life, next to Discord. I just gave you a sort of deep information. So guys, I'm back to the main point. So they say I'm designed to provide you with up-to-date GitHub metrics on the top cryptocurrency projects in the space. And they say for a list of possible commands, tweet the following. When you get in, you can try that out. So guys, proof of GitHub gives you updates and data metrics that of cryptocurrency weekly activities. Well, you can see it's top one as back as November 4th. So you should be expecting a new tweet soonest. And we have polkadot new, we have Kusama in third position, we have Cosmos Atom, we have Ethereum, and we have decentralized. We also have ICP Internet Computer in number 7. Well, they have been building as well. We have Vega Protocol, we have Hedera, which is the hash graph, and we have Flow. I'm a fan of Flow. So guys, with this data and these metrics that GitHub has given to us, you could tell that there are a lot of projects, multiple projects that are building. There's a tweet from November 1st. We have also polkadot, and we still have Ethereum, and Cardano was in 4th position before it moved up to 1st. Wow, honestly, wow. So, and as far back as October 9th, we have Stellar, we had Mask Network, we have Filecoin, we have polkadot. Wow, polkadot has been on the list 3 times. We have Optimism, we have the Winner, and we have Liquidity. So guys, this is one of the ways I use in gathering my data before making a call or move on any coin or cryptocurrency that I wish to. See you next time.